Okay. That took way longer than expected. Jesus. It literally took me like I had to close out of YouTube and my computer like 3 times to get this stream to work, yo. Yo, please tell me somebody in the chat held the fucking NASDAQ long position today from the position that we put in from Asia. Please tell me someone held the position, bro. Please. I beg somebody have. Also, we're looking for shorts on gold from the 4-hour gap. That's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for right now. I woke up, took the fuck. We're with each other.
Guys, I have so much FOMO for missing this setup this morning, and I didn't miss it because I
Yo. Yo. Shorts from the 4-hour gap on gold. We need a 4-hour SMT on any of these 3 assets. Set your alerts and look for a prime piece. Ecstasy. Yeah, I don't know about indices either. Yeah, but that's low, dude. That's real. I mean, that could be a framework for tomorrow. Come down into this 4-hour gap. That would be tough. If NQ could come down here. I would love that sell. I really, really want to get on sells for gold. I really want to get on sells for gold. That would be fire. Would you short to the 4? No, I wouldn't short to the 4-hour gap. I mean, unless a sequence came from prior to the open. Yeah, if we leave it behind, and like we're consolidating, I would entertain it. I would entertain it. But I think tonight's high probability move will be this. This to then that. That'll be tonight's high probability move. That will be tonight's. Don't even get me started. Don't even get me started, dude. I'm still kicking myself for actually like not. I'm kicking myself for not taking the live or not holding the trade into what's it called? Into New York Open and closing it as a break even because I manually closed it. That's the part that hurt you, bro. Rohit, stop asking me about the account, bro. I'm being dead ass. Like genuinely, it's getting very annoying. It's getting very, very annoying. Respectfully, stop asking me about it. You have won an account. I've called you out as a winner. I remember doing it. And I can only issue accounts. Well, I don't even issue the accounts. It's them. They're the ones. They're the ones. All right, just stop giving me proof, bro. I'll give you an Apex account just so you stop asking me questions, all right? Holy shit. Rohit, I'm going to DM you a code for Apex. Stop asking me questions about this. Please, for the love of God. Check your DMs on Discord and stop asking me questions. There you go. There's your Apex account. Now, please leave me alone. Leave me alone. Check your DMs. Just stop. Say thank you and move on. Fuck. What do you mean I'm not fucking listening? Holy shit, I'm gonna crash out. Fucking hell. I will literally go ballistic. Oh my god. Fuck. Hafiz will he might have he might need the night to recover. It's been drier than the Sahara Desert for Hafiz lately. But I mean, I'm not gonna lie, price action has been difficult. He might pop in tonight though. Brandon, shorts on gold from the 4-hour gap, bro. If we can get the tag. Pray that we can get the tag. That'd be beauty. Create the high of the day in the 4-hour gap. Short down to the devil's mark on the 4-hour. Well, short down to the daily gap, actually. It's the daily bullish gap. A little external to internal. Pray that we get this. Pray that we get some sort of fucking SMT. Did it really? I don't care. If it actually tagged on CFDs, I'm going to fucking freak out. That's actually so homosexual. Are you kidding me? I don't care. No. I'm not. I can't short this with it not tagging. That's crazy. We create high of day in here, and then we die. There's no way it dies from here. That's bullshit. It's baloney. That is baloney, bro. None of the assets even took the high. XAU, Euro, silver, or gold. I don't care if XAU USD did. Fuck that. Fuck that tagging on CFDs. No. I need the minis. I do not trust that. Hell no. And if it dies with it touching it on CFDs, then fuck that. I don't care. I don't want to be a part of it. Indices look chopped fuck up. Indices look like shite. Dude, I opened up TikTok. And the first thing, like, I literally log on. I start scrolling at 6 o'clock, and obviously the market opens at 6. and I just start seeing like every other scroll is a TikTok live streamer already in a position at 6:05. Like, what the fuck? I guarantee if I open up TikTok right now.
And I didn't like it. No,
Let's
I
go.
love this trade, but
Live. Already.
Requested my first payout with Funded Futures family today. First time ever trying.
I've scrolled 3 times. And every single user that I've scrolled by is already in a position on NASDAQ. How? 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 Gold really is going to die without this gap. That's actually disgusting. How do you leave behind relative equal highs? That is fucking heinous. I genuinely have... I will refuse to trade this unless it takes that 4-hour gap. I can't do it. I literally can't do it. Also, I'm looking to make a new YouTube video tomorrow, an educational one, on how to frame high and low in days properly. How to properly form high and low of days. I hope everyone that's short on gold right now gets absolutely clapped. Oh my god. Yes, it's the activation account. I get it, bro. You still have to pay after you pass the account. Nothing in trading is fucking free. Jesus. Nothing in trading is free. You're paying in some sort of way. Oh my fucking god. You just got a free account, trade it, pass it, pay the activation, and then move on. My god. Ooh. I can clearly tell that. I can clearly tell. It's worse than Israel. I'm going to make a really long video. It's going to be a long lecture on framing high and low of days based off of forever model execution, profiling, cracking correlation, changing the safe deliveries, everything. I already have a Zen in, bro. I'm still not relaxed. The current stack that I'm running right now, Quinn, I'm running 10 Apex end of day 50K trails, 5 Futures Elite 50K elite accounts. I'm running 5 50K Pro Lucid accounts and 5 Lucid Flex accounts. Not Lucid Flex accounts, Funded Next Flex accounts. That is what I'm currently running right now. I don't have a code for Funded Next, but the Funded Next accounts are 50% off right now, and it's like $70 per account. The 50K end of day trails are good. They're really good. I think that they're good accounts. easily managed. But like when we trade and capitalize on positions, I'm never gonna have a trade swing me from being up 2K to down 2K and then I blow the account from the trail. That would never happen. You always want to be like if you're up 2 band, depending. I'm also not trading minis on 50K accounts. I'm trading micros, so I'll never get hit with that end. I'll never get hit with that trail. Maj Dedin, this is my view right now on gold. I want the 4 hour. I need a 4 hour SMT or an SMT fill inside of the gap. That's what I need. I need that. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. If you don't have the bread to pay for an activation fee for an account, you should not be trading. You should be getting a job. I'm gonna be straight up with you. You should not be. Because on top of that, if you're that pinched for bread, trading should not even be on your radar. You should be paper trading at that. Yes, exactly, Wipeout. I trail my positions. Like in the meantime, while we're what's a good example actually? Hold on. I'm gonna pull up a trade that I took. I'm gonna pull up a trade that I took and show you an example as to how you trail the position if you're in it. Where is this? Where was a big swing that I took? Actually, here's an example. This trade that I took on NQ, this position. Why doesn't it? I can't paste the image. Fuck. In the meantime, while we wait, the position where I caught the low of the day from this 4 hour gap here. I bought this 4 hour gap, right? I bought this 4 hour gap. This was like one of my biggest trades. I had my stop here. I was 241 points. And my TP was, I believe my TP was here. These relative equal highs. Obviously, the second that I got tagged in, this 4 hour candle closed, my stops went break even. But you come into the day, and you're in this position prior to the open, how am I going to trail my stop if I'm in here break even at this point with my TP all the way up here? You frame, if SMTs are created en route to your take profit. Let's say this was an SMT here. Boom, if this is an SMT at this session, at London session lows, my stop loss gets trailed to this low, like that. Or let's say if there's an SMT that was created here, at this swing low, right here. Then where does my stop go? My stop goes here. Or, let's say, even better, the new 6 hour candle opens up. The new 6 hour candle opens up here, right? This is candle profiling, right? We're trying to anticipate where the low of that 4 hour candle is going to be put in. If the candle opens up lower to then go higher, and we create an open low that creates some sort of SMT here or an SMT there, and then we displace higher, creating a change in state delivery like this, my stop goes at the low of that 4 hour candle, right? So if I play out price and like we're coming close to the open, I want to have my stop at the low of this 4 hour candle because I don't want it to flip bearish if we're expecting open, low, high, close to an open draw on liquidity being here. I'm aggressively trailing my stops based off of SMTs that are placed in the market with candles forming. Always. And that's how like you kind of reduce, you stay away from that fucking, what's it called? You get protected from that trail. That's how all you guys should be doing it and acting. Brother, take the code that I sent you and trade that account before I take it away. I'm not even kidding. I'm not going to answer. I'm not going to say anything again. But Rohit, I gave you the account. I literally told BG that you won. They gave you the account and they issued it to you. I'm very, very confused as to what is going on right now. And on top, oh my god, I'm literally gonna lose my mind. Ugh. I don't. I. What's up, bro? I can't. Wow, dude, I actually can't believe gold is dumping right now. That hurts tremendously, dude. How is that even possible? The fact that it tagged the gap on CFDs and not minis is crazy. It only tagged it on forexfactory.com too. That's diabolical. Oh my goodness. But yo, like, yeah, wait for it now, but like, look at it, bro. This is the problem. You're really gonna expect what just happened? You can't expect gold now with this 4-hour candle that's printing. It's already set in its open high. You need it to open high into a key level like this. Like, I'm not going to expect this thing to rip all the way back after sweeping the previous 4-hour candle low, trade up into this, and then go lower. I mean, maybe it can. I just don't know if it's going to do it, like, soon. Rohit, just take the Apex account and trade it, my boy. Take the free account, bro. No, just take it. Take the account. I gave it to you. Trade the account. Take the account, bro. Just take the fucking account. Oh my god. Oh. Rohit, I'm gonna tell you right now too. I already asked if you've won in the past 3 months, and I'm gonna show you proof, just so that you could stop. God, there's like literally there's way too many of them. Like, it's actually insane. I'm gonna issue out Apex accounts tonight, guys. We're gonna do giveaways tonight. Just like the stream, subscribe to the channel. We'll do giveaways tonight. I'm really upset the fact that we didn't tag that 4-hour gap. That really is annoying. But yo, is there really nobody in the chat that held that NASDAQ long that I took last night? Not nobody. If somebody shows me proof that they held the long and hit TP and shows me the executions, I'll give them an account right now. No, you did not. Show me right now. Show proof in the Discord. Post your execution in the Discord. I want to see. Go to the free Discord. If you held that trade, go to the free Discord. Tag me right now. I'll DM you the account. I want to see the execution from that 15-minute gap that we took. That thing looked so shitty, bro. I literally can't believe it. Like, come on, dude. I woke up in the morning, like, literally was scratching my eyes, and I see price looking like this. Right here. And I was, like, pretty tight because I didn't long ES. ES looked beautiful. And I look at NQ and I'm like, oh, dude, this is probably going to come all the way down to Asia lows or some bullshit. We're in here. Stop is here. And I'm like, you know what? Fuck it. We'll just close break even at this point. Because our TP, what was our TP right here? Our TP was right there. Of course, PPI comes in, creates an SMT at London lows like this. And then we just fucking blast off. If you took that trade last night and you held it, what the fuck? Wait. L, where is your entry? Is that on a live account? Is that on a live account? Tell me if that's on a live account or not. Fuck, it's gas. I can't paste the screenshot and show everybody. I want to. Holy shit. That's tough. I'm giving you one, bro. That's fire. Check your DMs, El. Or Eldon. That's fire, dude. Oh, also, I'll do something too. tomorrow, if you guys catch any bangers on any if you catch a trade tomorrow and you tag me on Instagram and you post it on your story, I'll repost it. I'll repost it on mine, and I'll also issue I'll issue you an account as well.
You on stream?
I'm on stream right now. People were actually asking about you. They were like, "Yo, is a Fees hopping on?"
I was on stream, but I was on my stream class. Today they actually let me teach a bit. It wasn't so bad.
That's fire.
Yo, I'm telling you, give it a month and people are gonna be like, yo, it's actually worth like learning something during these streams.
Mm-hmm.
Today Amos was like, yo, I actually looked into PSPs, like, they're pretty good. I was like, hell yeah, bro.
Yeah, people doubting all that shit is crazy.
No, I don't think he died. I think like I just couldn't share my screen last time, so he had like no idea what I was talking about.
Yeah, that's true.
But today he's like, yo, I actually looked into your video on PSPs and like I'm seeing it on my charts everywhere. And I was like, yeah, let me show you like what a 2-stage is.
Yo, look at bro. I'm actually so tight right now. We're watching gold.
Dude, I
And
saw the 4-hour gap, right?
yes, dude,
Yeah, it didn't hit it.
dude, no, it hit it on fucking CFD account.
It's such
It
bullshit.
hit it on XAU USD on forex.com.
It's such bullshit. I was watching. I was gonna take that trade on the stream.
I was
like,
literally
yo, I'm
waiting for this to get tagged, and we get a sequence out of that gap, create the high, and then go to the Devil's Market at 43.76.2.
Dude, I even looked at like Xiao Euro and everything, and like nothing.
Nothing, bro. I'm literally looking at silver, XAU Euro, and gold, and nothing tagged.
I'm about to take my dog out. He's so excited, bro.
I bet he is.
I'm about to take him out for his 4th walk of the day because I'm a great dog owner.
I don't see NQ's not dying necessarily, but like it definitely NQ could come down to that 4-hour gap, that big 4-hour gap.
Yo, look at the weekly right now on NQ. We're gonna print a weekly PSP. I'm gonna swing trade next week. Nasdaq Ultimate.
That's a fucking genius idea.
Yeah.
Wait, you don't think Nasdaq's not gonna come all the way down to that weekly gap?
No, we're gonna form a 2-stage PSP.
Oh yeah. We're gonna get it. Oh yeah, we're gonna get a fucking weekly 2-stage, and then we're gonna.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's when we all full port longs.
Dude, it's literally called the ideal sequence. So watch my continuation lecture. It's where the leading asset forms a strength switch PSP off the highs, and the lagging asset forms an SMT bill.
So basically, what you're saying is take 100K, put it into call options, and hold it to all-time highs.
I'm gonna like when YM hits the gap, I'm gonna buy on my personal account.
That is a fucking genius idea. I'm gonna do the same exact thing.
Yeah.
That is a genius fucking idea. And guess who's also partaking in that? Me. I'm gonna tell stream exactly what you just said. Guys, basically what Afiz just told me on the phone. Here, hold on, his fucking thing. What Afiz just told me on the phone. So, you guys remember what he was saying last night in his stream. Or in his setting, right? He was talking about how the leading asset prints a PSP. This would be an ideal sequence on a weekly time frame with an open draw. Well, open draw being on NQ to break the SMT that ES and YM has already hit, aka all-time highs. NQ was the weakest asset, right? Now, what is happening on this weekly time frame? Dow Jones, the leading asset, is now printing a weekly down close candle. Once next week opens up and we open up into this weekly gap and we create an SMT between NQ and YM, this will be a 2-stage on the weekly time frame because we will have a down close candle here with a weekly bullish SMT here between NQ and YM like this. So literally the second that happens, I am taking a loan out and longing the fuck out of this to all-time highs. Does that make sense? Because NASDAQ was the weakest asset, and then the leading asset here is printing a PSP. This is a strength switch PSP on the weekly time frame with an SMT break draw on liquidity of all-time highs. Oh, I know BMC's that shit. Yo, Brandon, guess who's playing this Saturday at the Edge in Marquee Edge? Wait, yo, check out this venue. If you go on your phone, check out Marquee Sky Deck in New York. Marquee Sky Deck in New York. I'm seeing Clooney on Saturday. Shit gonna be so tough. And then right before that, going to Nobu and Fidei. Oh, yeah, no. Brandon's literally been in since the lows. Bro short at the top and then long the lows. A PSP is just a cracking correlation between candle closures. So next week, we would anticipate the Dow Jones to trade into this weekly gap, create an SMT inside of the weekly gap, while at the same time creating a two-stage cracking correlation with the precision swing point being previous week's candle close. While we create an SMT fill sequence with the NASDAQ here. PSP closure, SMT fill at this weekly gap, and then go higher. Long it to all-time highs. That damn long. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, no, like literally, this should be free 99 next week. If we get this sequence, it's game over. We can. Yo.
Yo, did you see that? Big one slide I sent you?
Yeah.
That's literally what I'm gonna trade next week. Isn't that so prime?
Oh wait, shit. Did I just show on my? Oh, I didn't even realize that I had Discord showing up on my fucking thing.
Oh shit! Yo, show them that. Show them on your phone that slide.
Send it to me in Discord, and I'll show that because I can show it to them that way.
Show them that's what they're gonna take next week. I'll tell you when I take that swing. Because I'm gonna take it on options and my personal account.
Bro,
I'm gonna go pretty heavy on it.
I'm definitely gonna do the same thing.
You gotta check that, dude.
Is this gonna load? This is exactly what he's talking about, guys.
It's like an ideal sequence because YM is strike switching, and we're getting a lagging asset in NASDAQ to the highs.
Yeah. So he's basically talking about how the Dow Jones is printing this down close candle over the weekly time frame after taking all-time highs, and the lagging asset is printing the up close candle while the leading asset prints the down close. That's the PSP, while leaving behind a weekly bullish fair value gap. So we want to see Dow Jones open low on the weekly into that weekly gap, while the NASDAQ does not tag that weekly gap, creates the SMT.
It's going to tag a daily gap instead. NASDAQ will print a daily gap.
Yeah.
Yeah, we good. It's an advanced premium discount sequence.
Oh my God! Wait, it'll actually. Well, that's hoping that tomorrow. I mean, I don't think that tomorrow is going to be a big range.
No, tomorrow. I'm not trading it all tomorrow for that reason. I want this week to close like inside the range.
Yeah.
And then next week form an open low. It's an ideal sequence for NASDAQ simply because it's like a lagging asset. We have a daily gap will print, and that daily gap will be in the upper half of this weekly range. So it's also an advanced premium discount.
Yeah.
It's actually fire, bro. That's like such a good swing. And all-time highs is like such a great draw. So
It's literally gorgeous.
I'm literally gonna make up for my entire dog shit week of trading with that swing, by the way. Your chat don't even know how wrecked I've been getting. Maybe they do. We all have some.
So you enter on NQ when YM starts pivoting from the weekly gap. You are anticipating the Dow Jones to trade into this weekly gap next week, while at the same time NASDAQ trades into a daily gap.
Yeah. You can take an entry off like a line daily swing profile. So you should tell your chat that you don't want to just buy the gap because you don't know how deep into the gap it'll go. what you should instead do is wait for like a 4-hour swing formation in the gap.
I will start loading options though positionally once we create that SMT at that weekly gap though.
Yeah, you could buy options like weeklies or like monthlies, but if you want to take it on like a personal futures account, I would wait for a swing.
I would not take weeklies. I would take I would at least buy myself like a month's time.
Yeah, you do monthlies. Yeah, monthlies are good.
At least a month.
But if you do have high volatility, weeklies will pay you more.
Oh yeah, of course they will.
But I'll do monthlies as well. So I'm gonna do personal. I'm gonna take it on personal futures account as well. And if that sequence fails, we'll just fry it in the bag.
Brandon, that's literally the way to do it. He goes, I'm about to throw
What is
10K
that?
into another account for fun and rip full port margin. I'm already in a swing in the main since the monthly IRL, up over 3 at the moment. So I'm probably just going to do light
it's
on a
such a
small
good
account.
ad. It's such a good ad, by the way.
It's a beautiful ad.
Dude, it made this week, like, it's just setting up for next week to be much cleaner. Because this week was pretty high resistance, honestly.
I mean, yeah, dude, we had fucking the entire weekly range get met in 1 hourly candle from
In 115, in 130 minute candle.
yeah, sorry, 130-minute candle.
Yeah, of course I didn't take that CSD on the 1 minute. Fuck me.
I can't believe gold did not tag that 4-hour gap.
I know, it's so rage bait.
Bro,
I
literally the only thing that I mean, obviously you would hate me if I took this trade, was literally this. Was buying the 30-minute gap with a stop loss.
On what?
Bro, a lot of people tagged me in this trade.
In what? In the
Yeah, buying NQs 15-minute/30-minute gap with their stop loss at the London low SMT.
Like today? Like,
Yeah, like today.
Oh yeah, I would never do that. But
Yeah, this.
was there SMT in the gap?
There was SMT. Yeah, I believe so. Hold on. It must have been with YM.
Are you talking about this morning at 9:30?
Yes.
Yeah, it was actually clean. It was APD. YM took the range low. It was a 2-stage in the 4 hour.
Yeah, this
It was a 2-stage SMT in the
was
4 hour lows. Yeah, it was super valid. I want to take the CSD out of the gap, but the CSD on the 1 minute closed so high in the range.
Did anybody take this today?
Yeah, show them the 2-stage on the 4 hour.
Oh, they see that.
Yeah. No, it was super mechanically valid. The CSD just closed too far away.
Yeah.
Honestly, in hindsight, that 1 minute CSD didn't even close too far away. I could have just taken it.
It was actually so fucking clean. It was literally it was a perfect driver explosion.
Yeah, literally.
It
Driver
like
pairing at
literally,
its finest.
it was literally driver pairing at its finest.
Yeah. It sucks actually because straight up, I didn't realize that 1 minute CSD actually wasn't too far in the range. It just seemed like it at the time.
Yeah.
And
And then you have Dodgy taking a 15-second IFPG.
Dude, look at the 2 minute CSD on ES. It's actually so clean. It actually closed so nicely. I should have taken that. I didn't
Yeah,
see
that
it.
was actually pretty clean.
Yup.
Oh my fucking god.
Are you gonna trade tomorrow?
Am I gonna trade tomorrow? No.
Yeah, I have no interest in trading indices tomorrow, by the way. Maybe gold. Yo, maybe gold can like hit that gap. But the fact that we've expanded away from it makes it a low probability.
I already don't want to. What's it called? I would not expect gold to come all the way back to this 4-hour gap, to then go to the Delta.
Yeah, I guess it's so far away.
Because the target is simply the daily internal.
I can't believe we left that as a failure swing. That sucks.
Don't worry. Yeah, see if it's literally going to it right now. That's so heinous.
Maybe we'll print the 30-minute gap. Get a continuation sequence.
And you're gonna leave. It's actually so ugly, bro.
Well, once we like form new invalidations away from a reversal, you don't necessarily like need to use those
Well, at
original
this point
invalidations,
now,
right?
yeah.
The gap becomes the invalidation then. So I think it's low probability in general just because it's deep in the range. Honestly, probably his weakest chops, bro.
Yeah, it's so bad.
Next week will be better. I hope. It can't get worse than this week for me at least. So. I'm about to literally submit my application to McDonald's over the weekend.
Bro, chill, you're fine. Yo, me and BM have a fucking strong, heinous hate for PJ trades. Primarily,
I have a
me.
heinous hate for everybody, bro. No, I'm joking. Why? What did PJ do?
Bro, I just send him. I send Brandon like fucking PJ's trades that he takes, bro. It's like the most disgusting shit I've ever seen in my life. Can I like share my screen and we just do some reactions on this shit?
Yo, you're actually so problematic just bear talking shit on your stream. I love it.
I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Could give less of
Bro,
a shit.
I get flamed so hard on my Tradeify stream. It's actually hilarious. You could come in there and just flame me. It's funny.
Like,
One of Eric's supporters came in today and is
what the
like,
fuck is this
you
fucking
didn't teach Eric, you lied. And then Eric literally has a tweet on Twitter being like, he's taught me my model.
Oh my god. I don't
People
want
are just like,
Oh wait, I
so
can do this.
buttered.
I can do this. Come up, Supreme. Summer in 2016.
Are you actually just pulling up this guy's trades?
Yeah, I think I have to send it to you on Discord and then pull it up that way.
Gonna take a stab here.
Bump on my body. Just make believe. Wait, will it pull up? Damn it, it doesn't pull up. Fuck. I think I have to add a screen. Hold on, I'm gonna add a screen.
Guy's committed to the bid here.
I am. I'm on board. Tell me, need. Like the stream, guys. Subscribe to the channel so we can do some giveaways soon.
Like the stream, subscribe to the channel, use code LAZ at all your prop firms.
Yeah, fuck you, son. You ain't streaming Asia like I am.
I'm on your stream right now, bro. What do you mean?
Yeah. But not on your setup, though.
Use code PJ for your favorite prop code discount.
Yeah, fucking no. Window capture. Title is PJ.
Yo, I'm sending this to PJ. I'm your biggest fan.
Okay.
Did he free fire a 15-second 60 today?
Whatever this is, dude.
Let me watch.
Look. I'm sharing it on my stream right now.
Let me quickly pop into it.
Just look at it. Just look at it.
One second. Just don't start yet.
It's just live right now.
Dude, Trash Day delivery would be
Alright, yeah, I can see.
His entry, he gets in before the candle closure.
I wanted to get it here.
Gets in before the candle closure.
Not terrible.
And his TPs are random. His TPs are completely random.
That's the classic pre-fire, bro.
Should be game on.
No, it's the classic front run.
To the upside would be game on. Failure here.
The front running CSD, yeah.
I think he posted an Instagram reel, bro, where
And what do you plan to do if
How do I go?
I'm pretty sure Dodge took a 15 seconds like IFEG today, so
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
To be
Right.
honest,
Oh
today
my
was
God,
just, like,
this one's
long
heinous.
9:30
This
and
one
you're
is
not-
heinous, bro.
The number of people who just like I went on.
No,
Twitter
shut up,
after
shut up,
it,
shut up,
like,
shut up,
For
shut
me
up, shut
not
up.
to take it. If this goes IFG right here, stops the break even. This 1 minute candle gotta go IFG.
This is the one that I sent to
Chat.
Brandon.
I'm gonna protect it as soon as it does. Stops the BE. Stops the BE. Let's go. This is gonna print. Give us that lower Asia draw. Whoever asked me that question about taking the failure to the next draw. This is
Hold on, ready?
exactly your
I
answer.
need to rewatch this.
That is your exact answer. I'm gonna show you.
He
that
gets
real
in
time right
here
43
before the
points.
fucking before even a 1 minute IPG is even formed,
Hey! I'm frozen.
and then
I'm
tweaks.
frozen. I'm
Imagine I
frozen.
take that in
I'm
my
frozen.
Discord.
I'm all out. I'm all out. Chat. There's nobody that does it better.
There's nobody
Yeah.
that does this in
There's
general.
Nobody, that does
Nobody
it.
does
Yeah.
this.
That is the fastest
Yeah.
continuation trade I've ever seen play out.
I mean, when the draws are super obvious, you can just kind
My
of click
day
the buy
has
button.
now
and
been
it's
You
all
done.
you
done.
know
I'm
it's
in
you know it's
shorts.
bad.
Yeah, this is
You
an
know it's
early
bad
entry chat, but
when
I'm gonna
somebody
take a
says
stab at
this.
This looks too obvious.
When
for
somebody
me not to
literally
take it.
says,
If this goes
took
IFG
the
right here,
exact
stops the
same
break-even.
trade
This
and
1
still
minute candle
lost.
gotta go IFG for us. Chat. I'm gonna protect
That's
it
how
as
you
soon
know
as
it's
it
bad.
Stops the BE.
I mean, that's how you know it's just not mechanical, bro. Yeah.
Holy shit.
I mean, it's very similar to people who like don't use like fixed stops. They just like use floating stop losses. It's like, how are you ever gonna actually scale up that trading system?
I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. The only reason why he is legit is because he has a community that pays him over $300,000 a month.
Oh, I know. Yeah.
That's the only reason why he is legit.
I know. Yeah.
And he trades 5 Lucid accounts.
I know. Bro, we make our money trading. That's good. That's what we want to be. Traders. You know you can make way more money trading than social media anyways if you do it right, so.
Honestly, BM, just start front running 15-second IFPGs, bro.
Yeah, honestly, PM, let's all just long high of day and just spam W's in the chat.
Long the high of a range breakout and target 10 points. And then immediately,
And go break even, yeah.
immediately
Literally
go break even. Immediately. Like, we could literally all just take trades like this. Consolidation. Wait for a sweep of Asia session lows. Asia or London. Asia/London.
Guys literally spilling Enigma right now.
I'm literally giving you guys the sauce right now.
Then take a 1 minute IFPG and go break even after 10 points.
Wait for a sweep of this. Execute on the first 30-second to 15-second or 1 minute IFPG right here.
The minute it goes 10 points, you're right.
And then this internal high go break even.
Then LARP. Then rent a Lambo and start LARPing.
And long with your stop loss below the fair value gap. And look for this. With your team
Meanwhile,
a
your
point.
average RR to break even is like 0.05. It's like 0.1.
Oh my goodness. While at the
That's
same
right.
time, when you get into the trade, you're entering here, but your position tool says that you're in here.
Then, you're getting the most important parts, like get stopped out, but tell everyone that you're waiting for a candle body closure.
Literally, this is a D1 hater right now.
I know. You can tell we're salty. You
No.
know we have a bad week.
Yeah, but Brandon, there's a difference between if you're front running it, bro, and somebody else like fucking PJ or someone else like that is doing it, because you're doing it with actual proper logic behind the candle forming.
Fuck your logic, bro. I see that 15-second SysD, I'm in. What do you mean? Logic is Asia lows being swept, bro.
Yeah, no, you're right. That's the enigma.
Asia lows.
Yo, Brandon, how's
My
your pops
favorite-
doing, bro? Hope everything's been going well.
Oh yeah, I did see that actually. Yeah. Hope he's doing well, brother. I saw it on your Twitter, I think, yesterday.
Mm-hmm. Maybe guys, we could get a 30-minute bearish fair value gap tag here, down to the devil's mark.
On gold?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, it would be decent, eh?
You know, I'm gonna make a site with prop firm discounts to earn rebates. Bro's,
Yo, that's
bro's,
actually the
bro's
method.
on to something.
Guys literally describing 80% of trading influencers.
Yep. Go back. Go back.
No, the reality is, guys, like, you can always make more money trading, always. So don't lose track of the dream.
Go back.
Go, what are you saying this weekend? What are your weekend plans?
I'm going to New York, seeing a DJ and staying. I'm seeing a DJ Saturday night, and then prior to that, I'm going to Nobu and Fight Eye.
Sheesh, guys, Livin. Sick, bro. It'll be fun. Are you going with your brother?
He'll be there, but I'm going with my girl, my brother, and his friends.
I'll be fun. You and your brother are like that Spider-Man meme. Like two guys pointing each other for the same guy.
Bro, before me and my girl got together, me and my brother were literally going out every single weekend, multiple times a weekend. He just got another stent done, so back to the hospital. He is back home now, though. Shit's scary, but so far so good. All right, fire. That's good.
Yeah, it's a blessing that he's at least got released.
Hope everything goes well, bro.
Yeah, you and fucking your brother were going out every single weekend. I remember.
I was literally like donating, bro. It was to the point where there was a bar in Hoboken where I practically owned it from how much money I gave them. Like I wouldn't have to pay for drinks for going into the bar anymore. They would literally like I would walk into the bar and immediately as I walked here, I actually even show you the video, bro.
As you walked in, they just hand you your drink.
Yeah, my drinks are already made. And there's a pyramid of just fucking like, oh my god, like my fucking memories from like literally my memories from 3 years ago. Right now, it's literally just me blacked out.
Every weekend.
Yep. Holy
That's
shit.
crazy, bro. But you were still in good shape, weren't you?
No. I was in horrible shape.
Like my shape?
No,
Like
dude.
skinny or fat?
This is. I didn't know what the ending of that video was like.
Wait, what was it? I didn't see.
Look at my face, bro.
Yeah, you look gone, bro.
I can't believe Gold didn't even just tag this 30-minute gap now, dude. I can't even get a fucking gap tag.
Bro, it's one of those weeks, my boy.
We didn't get a 4-hour gap. We can't even get a 30-minute gap. God damn.
I'm just gonna start trading IFUG in the 15 seconds.
We could have just bought. Yeah, this is fucked.
Yo, you could have waited for Asia or London low sweep.
True. Bro, I wasn't zenning at that time, bro. I was fucking vaping. I was literally a chimney. I was vaping and smoking cigarettes.
Guys, that was literally a chimney. But you still look like you were in good shape, bro. You're still probably gymming and shit.
Yeah, I was gymming definitely, but like I still felt like every morning I was getting. I woke up, felt like I got my ass beat by Mike Tyson. My hangovers were heinous. Max.
Drunk this weekend?
No. Maybe. Maybe. Yeah, I probably will. Max options trading. Who's that? Who's Max options trading? And is Jay Dunn legit? I don't know. I mean, I would assume so. He's been I know Jay Dunn's like a big options trading guy. Rohit, I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. I'm not looking at anything until no, stop. Like no.
Stop.
I asked Blue Guardians team. They'll get back to me and I'll let you know. Is TJR legit?
No, of course not.
Dude, if you think TJR is legit, look at TJR's trades that he takes. Just look at the fucking trades that TJR takes. Can I find them actually?
Bro, there's probably like 4 or 5 legit trading influencers, and I can name them on one hand.
Dodgy invites me as a guest on TikTok.
Right now?
No, I'm not. Never mind. He ended it. All right, I'm gonna show you guys a trade that TGR took. It came up on my TikTok. He's also a IFVG random trader. I don't believe that there's a single person out there that is profitable from watching his boot camp. I don't believe that at all. I don't believe that at all.
I don't think that any of these like mech IFVG models, like mechanical IFVG models, are sustainably like.
Blake is good. Blake is good.
No, they are good, but they use a fair bit of discretion.
Where is the
They profile and shit, bro. They're not just using IFVGs.
Damn it, I can't fucking find the video. I'm just gonna search TJR.
Hold up, everybody lock in. I'm in.
What the hell is this entry?
Under these lows or underneath this wick, I'm gonna put them under these lows. Or if you want to go bullish, just
Look at that trade.
right now, you know,
Someone tell me.
$240. Devastating. Steve Lewis going to go trade exploit. No, don't go to the gap. Don't do it.
I don't get it, man. I don't get it.
You didn't watch the boot camp, buddy.
Who watched the boot camp?
You didn't watch the boot camp if you don't get it, alright? Go back and study the boot camp and you'll get it.
Roman, where did you enter on gold? Where'd you get him? 4408.6. Oh shit. You got it in high.
Hold the sequence.
4408. Wait. Where did you get in from? Did you just short an IFG?
I said, did you just short an IFVG?
Did you short the 3-minute IFVG? And then did you get your fill in here? Because that's the only thing that I see. Bro, I've been out of Hoboken, bro. That place is a black hole, and I will forever say that.
So where do you live now?
I'm back home.
That like Jersey?
Yep. But I'm moving again.
With your girl, right?
Yeah. It's crazy, guys. I'm taking a big step.
And maybe I could text my ex too.
I'm taking a big step.
Maybe we could, chat. Maybe you can motivate us all to text our exes. The ones that got away.
Brandon was with me, bro. Literally the day that I saw her for the first time in a minute.
Really?
He was with me. Him and Daji were with me.
Oh, is that a music fest?
Yeah.
And was it you guys planned to meet up or incidental?
She called me the day of, and she was like, "Are you here?" And I was like, "Yep."
Hell yeah, son. Who said those words exactly?
And I was like, "Hell yeah, I'll see you."
And then you started dating her right after that, after you saw her?
No, just stayed
Yeah.
calm with it, and then next thing you know, one thing led to another, and then things are here how we are now.
That's always the best, man. Honestly, getting back with an ex is like a dream. That sounds so terrible to say that. Oh my god.
Mm-hmm. Well,
We dated her for a long time, so it makes sense.
bro hit. Come on, bro.
Yo, Brandon, is Brandon still in the chat? Brandon, let's get back with our exes.
Please, dude, just let me enjoy the stream, bro.
Is he asking for an account?
He's just asking me to check the Discord. Afiz, can you give us some lectures today again?
I'm actually out right now, but I did a little segment on Tradeify earlier if they want to watch it.
Guys, go watch the Tradeify stream.
You can like fast forward, I did a little lecture on there. I think
Go
it
check that
was like 25, 30 minutes in, yeah.
Bum, bum, bum. Do you know, Matt, that in America, the food you eat is not healthy compared to... Yes, the food that we have here is toxic as fuck. Like...
Compared to like Europe and like
Bro,
Asia, yeah.
There's a... You guys know fucking Holland. The soccer player for Norway. Sorry, the football player for Norway. My fault. He literally... They had, like, shipments coming in to America with food from Norway because they didn't trust the food that we had here.
Really?
Yes.
That's crazy, actually. I didn't know that.
Holland, yeah, exactly. Yeah, what you just said. Holland brought his own food. Like, they all brought their own food because they didn't trust what we had here.
I mean, to be fair, the amount of processing and like our food is just...
Our food is
insane.
disgusting, bro. It's actually...
It's really poison. It's like a poison.
Yo, Nia, our draw is the daily internal ratings liquidity pool on gold. This is the draw. The daily IRL.
Yeah, it's that daily draw, yeah.
Yeah, it's 4373.9. But like, dude, I see videos online and like, say you want to get like, you go to the supermarket, you get like a chicken breast or something like that. They're fucking pumping that shit so it looks plump and inflamed with like all this disgusting stuff. The true real way, if you're gonna go get real food, is you go to a farmer's market.
Yep.
You go to a farmer's market and you literally get it straight from the farm. That's why when I have a house and I am literally at a stationary place, I'm getting fucking chickens. And I'm literally going to have those chickens make me my fucking eggs.
Yeah, the problem is that it is quite expensive actually to buy like unprocessed, unfiltered. Like,
dude, it is not cheap to eat healthy, bro.
No, it's a good
very
investment
expensive.
though if you care about your health for sure.
It is very, very expensive to eat healthy. It's why it sucks because like, well, it sucks for a vast majority of people that live in the States because
And they can't afford it. Yeah,
it's just that they literally cannot afford to eat healthy. But that's also why like the fucking system is so corrupt because they know that and they know that people are poor, but they're going to feed them poison to then have them pay for like high insurance coverages.
It's literally like a poverty trap.
It's literally just a constant cycle of like feeding the rich because then
Yep.
they have to get these insurance policies. They have to constantly visit doctors, get medicine, and realistically, the medicine that
That medicine makes
the
them more
medicine,
sick. Yeah.
the medicine that they're getting prescribed makes them more sick. It's a
Yeah.
fucking horrible cycle of what
This is
actually
why everyone needs to learn how to day trade Nasdaq E-mini futures.
it's like fucking terrible. It's like actually the worst thing.
No, once you day trade, you're gonna escape the matrix and buy yourself real food. On God.
But like nobody should be eating anything that's like plastic wrapped that has fucking crazy fancy font on it. Like that's the true poison. Like that is all bad.
Yeah, low key. Also, don't Uber Eats all your meals.
DoorDash and fucking Uber Eats is literally a massive. If you're doing that, you're a lazy piece of shit,
Yeah, how dare you?
bro. Rohit, I'm not looking at the Discord right now. Holy fuck! After the stream, I can do that. After the stream, just let me rant.
Let me rant about the geopolitical.
Let me
state of
rant
America.
about how America is fucking disgusting. For Nasdaq, draw on liquidity is this 4-hour gap. Afiz, what happened to Eric?
He just like left Lazarus. To be completely frank, he wanted like 25% of our mentorship program, and like he had just joined us like a couple months ago, so it just didn't make sense like to do that. And yeah, I guess he wanted to like monetize himself and make his own platform and whatnot. So we just allowed him to do that, obviously. That's very common these days, guys. You'll see like people tend to like get platforms from other people and then try and monetize their own platforms. That's fine. That's like how the social media game works, but there's no hard feelings. There ain't no loyalty in this space no more, son.
He deserves 50%. Oh my god. Here we go again.
Here we go.
Let me hit the ring. Ding 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 ding.
I should just give him 100%, honestly.
Oh, also, if you guys want some health advice, magnesium glycinate like an hour before you go to bed. It'll do wonders for you, bro. Eric was somebody that was an analyst in his Discord.
Yeah. Sorry about that. Mango, come here. Oh, I'm here, buddy. Yeah, I see that. Yeah, Eric was an analyst in my Discord. My dog is freaking out right now. Mango.
It's not a bad bet. What brand are this is just from Vitamin Shop, bro. Like my local vitamin store. It really doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter what like the brand is, but like just make sure you're taking this before you go to bed.
You take magnesium glycinate every day?
Yeah, every day.
Yeah, that's good.
Magnesium glycinate, fish oil, daily vitamin. You should be taking zinc.
Yo, send me a list of all these things, man.
All right,
On Amazon. I'll go to like or actually I can just go to like a Popeyes or something, right?
bro, just go to a vitamin shop, FaceTime me, and I'll tell you exactly what to buy.
Can you just send me a list
Yeah.
and then tell me like when to take it?
Wait, BM, what did you do? Wait, BM donating 5K to Nick Merckx is a. BM, did you actually do that? Bro, I used to watch Nick Merckx all the time. It's honestly W marketing. I used to watch him religiously, bro. Omega-3, vitamin C, vitamin GC, vitamin... Oh my fucking god, you just got me tripping for a second.
Vitamin B is good. You have ADHD.
Vitamin GC and vitamin ES. You have to pick that up.
Vitamin NQ.
I didn't think you would get it.
Vitamin I by I a day.
I streamed with him in the past. That's the homie. He's been in hella time. Are you serious? Wait, BM, were you actually good at like video games and shit? That used to be my life. Yo, Daily Gap got tagged on gold. Anybody that was in gold, that's your take profit.
Did it actually get hit already? Damn, that shit
I love
offered
how
no
Brandon
retracement.
is literally just like my sugar daddy and low key.
Wait,
that-
what do you do?
He just donated me money
Yo, why don't I get BM donations?
because he likes me more.
I guess he does, bro.
You have to
I
go.
thought me and BM were homies.
No.
Okay, maybe one day. Maybe one day me and BM will be homies.
Maybe one day when you come to a festival with us, maybe things will change.
True. That's right.
We're going to Head Trip in California if you want to come.
When is that?
October. BM, did you get a place for that, bro? Because I want to get an Airbnb. Scars, honestly, close your eyes and then pick a name out of a hat. But honestly, say my name,
Yo, we actually need to start. We actually need to start just swing trading, man, and not day trading.
I already do that on my options.
Yeah.
I'm
gonna
in.
start doing that with my personal account.
I'm in Uber. I told you to get these, by the way. I got Uber calls
Yeah.
today, guys. I got Uber calls that expire in June of 2027, and I've been in Netflix call options that expire as well. In when did my Netflix calls expire? I have Netflix calls, Uber calls, and Google calls all expiring. Wait, actually, Netflix and Uber both expire June 17th, 2027. 110 calls on Netflix, 85 calls on Uber. And then I have a Google March 19th, 2027 call for 410 strike. That expires, next year.
Yo, I keep seeing on Instagram some guy who bought like 20 minis at the low, and he's like holding to all-time highs.
Yeah,
You see that guy?
he follows me.
Yeah.
His name's
Smart ass dude.
his name is Unfunded. Wait.
Smart ass dude.
Brandon, what are you in? You're in Snapchat? Is this Snap or Snapchat? Is this actually
What?
like Snapchat?
It's a ticker snap. It's Snapchat.
Take care, Cal. I'll see you on Monday, Brody. Anybody here in Gur Gavin? How
Gur Gavin's from Toronto, bro.
Martin actually knows ball, bro. I love that bull. Gur Gavin is the man.
Gavin's from Toronto, by the way.
Bro, he's the only bull that will only type and tweet out in all caps.
Yeah, he's literally from Toronto. He's like super, super rich.
He's a real G, bro.
Yeah, I've seen him at the clubs in Toronto. Like he and I like dated the same girl for a little bit of time. Like we both had like a thing with the same girl in Toronto.
Keep this in mind, guys. Keep this in mind. Afiz just said that him and this guy here had the same girl.
For like a small period
Him,
of time. Yeah.
Afiz and this guy here had the
All right.
same fucking
Yeah,
girl.
show them the girl. She was an absolute rocket. He's super rich though. He's like this guy goes into the clubs in Toronto, guys, and he drops like 50 to 100K a night.
You're gonna have nightmares in this picture right now.
I know.
But yo, don't get me wrong. No, this guy's gross.
Yeah, he's like a really good trader.
He's a
actually.
monster
He's also
options
just-
trader.
He's also just a really intelligent guy. Like he did like a master's at Waterloo in like data engineering or something. Man,
Yeah, he's crazy good, dude.
he's really, really smart.
I would watch. I would listen to him, and then if you guys know who Hugh Henney is, anybody know who that is? Hugh Henney. He's actually one of my boys from New Jersey. I'll do the giveaway probably like 9:45.
My respect dropped here, in my opinion, of fees. No, the girl was actually a baddie. She was like a bottle service girl from Toronto, and I didn't know she was also dating Gurgavin. I didn't know that at the time. But the reason I met him is because I was like hanging out with her, and she said hi to Gurgavin in the club, and then Gurgavin walked up to her and like kissed her. And I was like, all right, well, sick.
Yeah, we're gonna run.
Gurgavin is also seeing my girl.
We're running the giveaway tonight, guys, at 9:45.
This guy said that girl has a type. I look nothing like Gurgavin, all right?
Yo, can we get the stream to 100 likes? That would be much appreciated, yo.
Now run that shit up, boys.
Yo, UV. Matt, you heard of James Wynn story? Who's that? All I know is that I used to be. Is that a fizzle? Yeah, it is.
What up, son? Yo, run up the likes to 100, boys.
Oh, what's up? Sorry, we have to include the girl. We have to include the 1% of girls that are in the chat. Ashley, I appreciate you.
True.
My Instagram analytics, I'm not even joking with you. It says 99.5. I think it's like 90. Actually, no. It's like 98.8% male, and then I got like a. Wait, fuck. What is that?
Yeah, I know. Mine's
98.8.
like
So that means
2%.
the fact that I had to pause and think about the fact that it's 1.2% female is actually concerning. I literally had to pause before I gave my answer. I'm not even kidding.
No, clearly she wasn't my girl. I didn't know she was also hooking up with Gurgavin. The point of the story is being lost.
BM, yeah, the 100 will literally be directly deposited into Nobu's register, and Marquee Skydeck in New York. That'll get me like, yo, at the Skydeck in New York, bro. That'll get me like 2 tequila Red Bulls.
Yeah, actually, like $50 a drink.
Dude, well, you get tequila Red Bull run you like 25, and then you tip like $30 a drink.
Yeah. Dude, when I went to Miami, I went to like Space, and I didn't recognize like a bottle of water at Space was like $30.
Yeah.
I was like,
That's how
holy
it
shit,
is.
I may as well just drink more.
That's literally how it is. Stick to NASDAQ,
Yeah.
buddy. Is NASDAQ even doing anything right now?
No, they're talking about Gurgavin, buddy. Fuck you for showing them what he looks like, because he looks like a fucking.
Yeah,
nerd.
bro. You just set yourself up for that, bro.
Hey, well, I didn't know, like, at the time. I'm just saying that's how I met him.
That shit was actually this motherfucker ugly as hell, son.
He is, bro, but he's a cool guy. Honestly, I won't talk shit about him, but he's a cool ass guy.
I bet you he is.
My team definitely thought so.
Eskimo Bros with Gurgavin. It's crazy.
That's crazy. Yeah, it's crazy.
Bro, if my bro comes back to town by the end of the month, I'm going to Rufus. Yo, wait, Brandon, yo, let me know, dude. Pull the trigger because I'm getting rooms at Ocean, at that casino. I'm gonna get rooms at Ocean. Do you believe, Matt? Do you believe in frequency and energies? What do you mean? What does that mean?
Guy literally said looks like a Feezus twin. Yo, BM. Put yourself like. Me and Gurgavin do not look similar. That is such cat, by the way. I'm getting rage baited. It's all good.
You are getting rage baited and you're falling for it.
Bro, BM's so funny. Sometimes I post on my story, and he's like, "Twin, you need to work on your fashion game." He's like, "Bro, those baggy pants are not it." It's so funny, dude. He's like, "Yo, they do not know how to dress in Canada, do they?" Guy just flames all of Canada because of my baggy ass jeans or some shit.
What kind of baggy pants are you wearing? You wearing like flare shit?
I was wearing just like baggy jeans. And BM was like, "Quinn, that shit ain't it."
That's actually so funny.
Yeah, I laughed. That was funny.
Bro, just go to Kith and just buy an outfit top down there.
True. I used to be like a big BOGO guy when I was younger. I'd buy like Kith box logos. I thought it was so cool.
Just buy Rude, anything Rude, and Kith.
Kith said you fire.
I
I got
love
some nice stuff from Kith in Japan when I went.
I'm so pissed. I went to Kith. I mean, I've been to every Kith in the States besides Kith Malibu in California. And I was in Kith Rodeo when I was in California. And then I was driving from LA to Santa Barbara, California. And I was so stupid. There's a insanely sick, like, Kith Malibu spot that I could have stopped at.
Oh, I've been there. It's really.
I'm so mad, bro. That's the one spot that I haven't been to. The only spot. Wait, BM, you hired a stylist?
There's a. That's actually Aura.
Shit, hire me, bro.
Kith Creek in Miami. Have you been to it?
Hire me, bro. I'll be your stylist. I'll put you on, bro. Wait, what did you say?
There's a Kith Creek, I think, in Miami that has some pretty cool shit.
Yeah, I've been there.
There's also a Chrome Hearts in Miami. That's pretty cool.
Yes, I've also been there. I've been there.
Yo, taking when I went to Miami with that Sarah chick, you know, like she's like obsessed with like Chrome. She made an appointment to go look at jewelry like 3 weeks ahead of time. Walked in, and the cheapest piece of Chrome they were selling was like $5K USD.
Yes, that's how it is, bro. You literally have to, unless you know somebody. The only way that I was able to go in because I went with Shinobi. Shinobi knows every fucking.
Yeah, you just gotta make. If you don't know someone, you gotta make an appointment like weeks ahead.
I think Chrome is a social experiment.
I honestly think it does. It actually has a crazy extrinsic market value though. Like it appreciates so well.
I will only entertain Chrome jewelry. The clothes, I think. Okay, I'll say this: a Chrome tee or T-shirt is fucking stupid. A Chrome a Chrome jacket with like a zip-up jacket. Okay, you got me there. But a T-shirt or a long sleeve shirt, I'd rather rip off my toenail than pay $500 for a Hanes tee with a Chrome Hearts logo on it.
Yeah. I think
It's a
some of their
fucking
stuff is pretty
Hanes
cool.
T-shirt.
I think their hoodies and their flannels are actually pretty cool.
Yes, I give it to the hoodies. But it
Yeah,
has to be a
but they're
zip. It
expensive.
has to be a zip hoodie
Like,
with. It has to be a zip hoodie with the pennant.
Yeah, what you can do actually is you can go to like Tokyo. Tokyo has a Chrome store where it's actually like more retail price.
I also
Like, things are
do.
like 500-700.
I also no, I'm not gonna lie. I do. I fuck with the jeans heavy.
Yeah, they're cool.
I fuck
They're
with
a
the
bit heavy
jeans
though.
heavy.
They're like weighted, bro. They're
Yeah.
like because they're baggy and they have like a whole bunch of embroidered stitching on them.
Yeah. Who all core sellers
yeah.
are here? Yeah, dude. Core sellers unite, bro, on my channel.
Yeah, hell yeah.
I'm not.
Oh,
even-
BM,
I'm
I
being
can
dead
be your
ass.
personal driver.
Like also like whenever I stream, people like know like I'm looking for trades, but I'm also like not serious and like I never really start controversy and bullshit like that. But I do at the same time. But it's funny in a way. And also if somebody tries to come back at me and try and chirp me, I'll just fucking make them cry.
It's actually hilarious how like people start drama. Like people always try and say that me and BM have beef, and we're like literally friends. Like we literally send each other the beef, and we're like, "Yo, I didn't know you fucking hated me."
It's actually funny.
Yeah, the 10K for jeans is actually insane for Chrome. I agree.
Bro,
It's not worth it.
10K for jeans is like that's not even a lot. I've seen dude some of those jeans go for like 25, 75,000. Like I've seen Chrome jeans go for like 75K.
Okay, yo, whenever I come on Matt's stream, guys, you don't gotta keep asking the same question. I don't know why people are leaving ladders for the same reason that anyone starts their own business, bro. They start their own business. I don't
What's
ask
happening?
questions, bro.
Oh, you're asked. Someone asked why did Splash? Oh,
Probably for the same reason Eric did. They want to start their own brands, bro. That's fine. That's absolutely fine. There's nothing wrong with that shit, bro.
I'm
I used to be in
thinking.
the lab. I used to be in the lab with Kane and Alex when I first started. You guys probably don't remember that, but I started there, and then I wanted to build my own brand, so then I started my own thing, right? It's
Someone
all
goes.
good. People do that.
Someone goes. I'm thinking of moving out from India soon. USA is kind of trash. Canada is expensive, and Europe is full of illegal immigrants.
Yo, Asia's still sick, bro. Other parts of Asia. I recommend I really like Thailand.
Move
Like,
to
Vietnam
Marbella.
is super nice. Philippines is really nice.
Move to Marbella, Spain.
Yeah, Marbella or but it's pretty expensive.
It's very.
Valencia
it's very
is also kind of expensive. I think Spain's still a bit expensive, dude. If you're gonna stay in Asia,
Yo, low
go
key
to like
long
Indonesia,
YM.
like Bali or Thailand, bro. It's like cheap and it's like beautiful.
Yo, low key YM longs.
Please don't come to America if you say sorry.
Dead ass.
My favorite is when people refer to me as sir. I'm like, bro, it's all good. Go back call me sir.
Long YM, and then just fucking target the relative equal highs up here.
Yeah, Riku still trades, bro. Riku still trades for sure. He's just doing a lot of back end stuff for us as well. Not gonna lie, can't wait until we buy Canada. That'd be great. My American visa, is like so fucking hard to maintain. It'd be better if we were just the 51st colony.
I can't wait till we buy Canada. Yeah.
That'd be better for Canadians, honestly. Canada's like not a real word.
Yeah, you guys just have,
you should come to Canada though at some point in time.
you
I
guys
know
just
Matt
have like
wants to come
so
out here
much.
eventually too.
I do. I want to come snowboard
You
there.
guys,
You guys
you
have
guys
like
should come
so much
together in
like
the winter,
empty
yeah,
space,
like
bro.
to Whistler.
Canada is just like so much empty space. Like there's so much shit. Hold on, let me look at this. Like what the fuck is all the way? Like how much of Canada do people live in? Like is there like what the fuck is this? Is this
Sorry, what you said, bro?
like in Canada, bro? I sound probably so stupid. Like all this shit. Like do people live up here?
No, the majority. So actually, more than I'm pretty sure like 80% of Canada's population just lives in Ontario. So if you look at that little narrow stretch by like the Great Lakes, like on,
Yes.
if you look at Ontario, yeah. Like pull up a map. Do you have a map?
Hold on.
Yeah. So that little tiny area you see by the Great Lakes in the east of Canada, where it says Ontario, that's where like the majority of the Canadian population lives actually. Very few people live outside of that. Most of the country's empty.
What is this fucking? How do you even say this? None of it. None of it.
It's none of it.
Yeah. Nobody lives in none of it.
No, it's only indigenous peoples who live there, for the most part. Yeah, majority of Canada lives in like that Ontario area, like in that very, very small period or piece of land.
Equiluits.
Iqaluit?
What?
Iqaluit. It's like a again another like indigenous French place.
Saskatchewan.
Saskatchewan, yeah.
Oh, Saskatchewan.
So listening to Americans say Canadian provinces is funny actually. Keep going.
Winnipeg.
You know Ontario, obviously.
Obviously, no Winnipeg.
Yeah. it's
Manitoba.
Yeah, Manitoba, Alberta is like the most, and Saskatchewan are like the most rural areas of Canada. That's where you see like the Hicks. Like, you know, like the classic Canadian Hicks, they all live there.
Yo, this is Fredericton.
Fredericton. That's New Brunswick.
It's Fred's erection.
Yo, you're actually acting like in the States there's not stupider names for places.
I know. They're like, bro, I'm not gonna lie. The US, bro, is like.
Why do you guys have multiple Dakotas? I never understood that.
I was literally just about to say, who the fuck lives in North Dakota?
Is North Dakota like chopped?
I don't know anybody that lives in North Dakota. Like I don't know any. Yo, literally, like YM longs actually look good. Just shooting that out
Not
there.
my favorite faux spot right now. You know that place I always call you from?
Yeah.
I'm
Like,
eating
bro.
there again right now. It's so good.
Like nonsense states, like North Dakota, South Dakota. What the? Nothing is here, dude. I don't know anybody. Oklahoma. What the fuck? Besides like fucking football, I mean like Arkansas, yeah. Idaho, you have no like literally like fuck like nobody. I don't know anybody living here. Idaho, Montana. Same with Oregon. Random.
Montana's nice. Doesn't Montana have like no black people?
I have no idea.
I think it was T Trades who was telling me like Montana has like the least number of like.
Oh my
Other
god.
races.
Wait, wow. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. He did say that.
Yeah, you can't say that, but. He like texted me. He's like, yeah, Montana has like 99% white people. I was like,
Has anybody been to Hawaii? Anybody been to Hawaii?
You've been to Hawaii, haven't you?
No.
Dude, Hawaii's beautiful.
I want to go. I've never been.
I think Costa Rica is nicer actually.
Really?
Oh yeah.
I want to go on vacation to Hawaii, and I want to surf.
Costa Rica's better surf. Yo, you'd love Costa Rica, bro.
I want to go surf. I need to learn how to surf though. I could snowboard like Shaun White, but I literally cannot surf. Wow, I'm actually tight, bro. I literally would have longed this 15-minute gap on YM.
What's the sequence?
There's a 4-hour SMT. It's also going to close as a PSP as well. It's literally going to close as a strength. It's literally going to be a PSP, and it's going to go to these relative equal highs. I guarantee it too.
Let me quickly look actually. I haven't looked at the chart.
This is that. It's gonna 4 hours. Gonna close up, close down, close candle on NQ. We have SMT between the daily open 4-hour candle lows, 2 o'clock and 6. It's gonna go higher.
Yeah, we both need a sequence though. Oh, we actually have an SMT fill at 7:45 or 9:15. Sorry.
I just have an SMT at the
Oh, we
previous 4
did
hours.
have SMT fill. It's a strength switch with Nasdaq.
Yeah, it's gonna go higher.
Oh, you didn't take that, did you?
I was just too busy fucking yapping.
Yapping. It was a nice strength switch with the gap.
It's actually gonna go higher. Anybody that wants to trade this, I would look for this continuation long overnight.
Take it on the 5-minute gap then.
Wouldn't I want to wait for the new 4-hour candle?
I mean, you would get positionally because we haven't been all day.
I'll wait for the new 4-hour candle.
Yeah. Those 4-hour equal highs the previous guy are not bad.
That's exactly what I would target.
Kanye lives in Wyoming, so Wyoming has black people.
How long is the flight to Hawaii? Isn't it like a full fucking day?
It depends on where you are. Where are you? You're in New York,
I'm in
right?
Jersey. Yeah, New York.
Yeah, it's far because it's on the West Coast, yeah.
Wouldn't you want to fly to California and then California to Hawaii?
Yeah, it's in the Pacific Ocean, so like yes. It's kind of far away from everything.
If you need 0.7% left to pass your account, then long YM.
Yeah, BM's right. Why fly when you could drive to Hawaii?
Yeah, true. You can just drive to Hawaii. You know what I'll never do? I'll never go on a fucking cruise.
Yeah, they're so boring, bro. They're
No,
really boring.
I'm terrified of the ocean.
Well, then you don't want to surf then either.
No, I'll surf. I'll surf, but like as long as there's no sharks.
Everywhere you surf is gonna be sharks.
No,
Where?
I don't know. Don't sharks not like warm water?
That's not true.
I thought they only like cold water.
Some sharks, yeah. I think there's sharks in like most popular surfing areas, like Australia, Costa Rica, South Africa, Hawaii.
Bro, my worst nightmare is being stranded in the middle of the ocean.
You're not gonna get stranded. All these beaches are lifeguarded.
Yeah, but what about the Titanic?
I don't even know how to respond to that.
What, dude?
I said when I'm on the Titanic. If you don't take a steamship out into the middle of the ocean, you'll be okay.
Yeah, bro. Anything could happen.
Unsinkable ship, by the way.
Or like the Kraken. Like a big ass octopus.
True.
Unknown species in the middle of the ocean that just like we've never discovered. Bro, I love the Jersey Shore. But I love I like the beach. You ain't catching me in the middle of the ocean though. I like looking at the beach.
The ocean low-key is scary.
Yeah, it's fucking terrifying. If you're telling me right now you're not scared of the ocean, you're lying to me. You are lying.
I almost drowned in Costa Rica, bro, because I got pulled up by a riff and I was so stupid about it. Wasn't paying attention.
Yeah, that sounds bad.
I told you that story, right? I called you that day.
I don't know.
I had a near-death fucking experience. I had like,
Did they
some
try?
guy was
They had to come
surfboarding
save
or
you, right?
yeah, some guy was surfboard because it wasn't a lifeguard at beach.
Oh my god.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there was one time where actually I got saved from I tried surfing and I got carried out like the lifeguard stands.
Yeah.
The lifeguard stands are like spaced out. I don't know how much the distance is. It's like I'll probably say it's 100 yards per lifeguard stand or something like that. But I got carried out from one lifeguard stand down like 4 or 5. And they had to come out and throw the fucking like the thing.
Life jacket thing.
Yeah, they had to grab
Oh,
me.
boy,
and shit.
yeah.
Yeah.
And they had the flippers and they had to like swim back in.
No, not flippers, but like literally like whatever the fucking famous lifeguard is in movies. Bull had to come out and save my ass.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, it's actually, people don't realize how easy it is to fucking drown in the ocean.
Yep, it is fucking horrifying. Fuck that. Low key, if I like literally just longed why I'm here and I put my stop at this low at the 4-hour candle and I just took it all the way to this high, I literally might do that.
What you said?
I'm literally gonna long YM, put my stop at the 4-hour
Target
candle
that.
low, and target the high.
Within 4 hour open, once it forms this wick, or right now.
Right now.
Not bad.
Yep, I'm doing it. Bump, bump, bump.
I'm waiting for the order filled.
You ready? 3, 2, 1.
Order filled.
There it is.
Order filled.
Watch 10 a.m. is open and dumb, or 10 p.m. open and is dumb.
Watch 10 a.m. open and just completely rail me. What is the... Yeah. All the way up there. Take me all the way to the highs, bitch.
That draw on line was really good.
Yep. Give me it. Yeah, I should have got in lower, but I'm covering the low of the 4-hour candle. I want those relative equal highs.
Yeah, we took the 15-minute S&P fill, right?
He probably did.
It's a good entry. Yeah, it's a good entry.
I think that it's Moons. I think she goes. Bump, bump. Bump, bump. Bump, bump. Bump, bump.
Just don't close out in the AM session.
I'm
5
not.
minutes before
I'm
it
not.
breaks all-time
I'm
highs.
not doing that. I'm not doing that. Not doing that.
That is like Spain, no S. I saw your reel this morning. I was like, oh my god, this guy's gonna call me and just be like, don't talk to me for the rest of the day.
I went fucking viral on Instagram for getting railed. Like what?
Yo, you should, Matt, connect your Trinity to your credit view so people can see when you're in a position.
I'm in now, guys. I'm in now. I'm in right now.
Connect your trading view to your trading in the top right, so they can see your position on the chart. You know what I mean?
I never connect the TV, but this is what I'm in. Giving you guys a fair example. Literally this. With TP up here.
You took YM because of the draw liquidity. There's nothing for NASDAQ trading to.
There's nothing on NQ.
Yeah. It's a strength switch too.
New 4-hour can't. Oh shit, yo, how many likes do we have on stream? Bro, I want 100 likes, guys. Give me 100 likes. Be nice to me, for fuck's sake.
I liked it on both my accounts, right?
Give me 100 likes. You guys want accounts or not?
Basic meeting apps kill conversions, whether
Fuck.
you're just starting out or scaling up. You need a platform engineer to sell. Enter Webinar Jam. Pack the house with professional templates.
Be nice.
Keep your audience hooked from start to finish. Trigger
Yes,
clickable
sir.
timed pop-up offers to drop the exact second pitch.
100 likes. 100 likes. If you drop the beat down again, I can make you mine. Alright, how can I do this?
So take this on all your funds.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So I need to do this. I need to go to fuck, it's Nightbot. Alright, so let's do this. Yo, this is actually the best part. I love doing this. I do a random number. A random number generator. And here we, how do I do this? Yes, perfect. Alright.
Alright, bro, I'm gonna eat some food and I'm gonna just head to bed, so I'll touch you on.
Alright, word, I'll hit you, bro.
Peace.
Alright, peace, yo. Alright, yo. We're back. We're back at the random number generator. Not yet. I need to pick a number. Before I can do that, I need to hide this. I need to hide this. Okay, random number. Alright. Now I need to pick what it's going to be through. Alright, let's do this here. Let's see how long this takes. Okay. Alright. Alright, I think I got my range. Alright, go. I got my range. Oh, wait, fuck. It's between 1 and 2,000. It's between 1 and 2,000. That's the range. 1 and 2,000 is the range. Anybody close? Nobody's close yet. What are we? Too hot. It's got to be below 1,000. I don't see anybody close. Damn, yo. Yo, remember the last time we did this? We had somebody in chat literally just fucking get it 3 times. It was like 3 times in a row. This is the longest that it's taken, actually. I'm very surprised. Bingo. Maddox is the winner. I remember. Yes, I think we all fucking remember you, bro. Send a message in the free Discord, bro. Are you a wizard or something? This man is a fucking wizard, bro. They're narrowing down using chat. Using the chat guesses. I'm not gonna do a number. I'm gonna do a word next. I'm gonna do a word next. Maddox, send a message in the free Discord, bro. Message in the free Discord, bro. And then I'll send it to you. I'll DM. All right, now we switch it up. Switch it up. Let me do a different one. All right, let's go back here. Boom. Let's do a word. All right, so we got Maddox. Okay. All right. Now let me think of a word. Let me think of a fucking word. Okay. Let me think of it. All right. Why am I longing before the gap? I'm anticipating the 4-hour candle to hold the low, and then I'm expecting the new 4-hour candle to, it could open low, whatever it wants to do, but then I'm expecting to expand higher because this is a PSP, or it'll be a 2-stage PSP. I want. What should be the word? I got it. I got it. Okay. The word is active and it is a person. It is a person. It is a person of history. I need a first and last name. Bro said Eskimo. A person of history. Someone has to get this. Someone has to get this shit. If I don't see it in the next minute, I'm going to give another hint. Meek. All right, I'll say it. I'll give a hint. You want a lot, like a person of history, and you want a lot of this person. A lot of people want to have this. You want to have a lot of it. Think. It's not fucking Jeffrey Epstein. Brian got it. Brian got it. Jesus Christ. Brian got it. It was Benjamin Franklin. You want a lot of Benjis, bro. You want a lot of Benjamin Franklins. Benjamin Franklin, bro. Come on. Brian, send a message in the free Discord, bro. Send a message in the free Discord, my boy. You will say to me, yeah. Song is so fire. I just hit you, Maddox, and then also I need, and it's any size account. Any size account. Christopher Columbus was close. It was close. I was close. I give you that. You want my love? All right, let's do another one. Let's do another one. Let me think. Let me think. All right, let me think. It's for Apex. It's for Apex, bro. Pino. Is this actually you, Brian? Show me proof that it's you. I don't want to give a random person this count. All right. Let me think. My take profit is the relative equal highs on the 4 hour. Right here. 54,150. That's my take profit. All the way up here. No, I'm not Maddox. I'm not doing a number. All right, fine. I got it. All right. Okay. All right, I did it. It is... Actually, I can't even give that a hint. Okay, I can just say this. It has to do with me. I'll start off with that. Ban. Who said gay? Mods, ban, please. I literally just threw an alley-oop. Fucking stupid. I'm just like finding entertainment in just reading this. Big Step, Diddy, Party, LARPer. Oh, okay, Ban, Dodgy, big bro. That's a good one. Food Croic. Yapper. Course Seller. This is just getting better and better. I should have put sourdough with peanut butter. That would have been a fucking perfect one. Okay, I need to get something better. I need to narrow it down. It's not a characteristic of me or like a thing. It's a part of... It's like... Fuck. It's a part of my... There we go. Oh, wow. Well, Quinn technically got it because it was my last name. I literally had my last name in it. And he put my last name in the type in. So technically, Quinn, you won. Quinn, you won. You got it, brother. You got it. You won an Apex account, bro. Send a message. Send a message in the Discord. I literally say that it's about me, and I just see what you guys think of me. And I'm reading all these fucking things, and I'm like, what? I want to see everyone in the trading space do that, and they have to say, all right, guys, it's a word, but it's about me. And then I want to see what people fucking say. I should have screen recorded that. Damn it, that would have been funny. Shit. That would, oh, I fucked that up. Well, Quinn, you now you got 21. Now you got 21, bro. Yeah, Todd, I am long. I longed YM with my stop at the previous 4-hour candle low. TP is all the way at the highs, the relative equal highs. Quinn and Brian, send message in the free Discord so I can issue guys your account. Please go in the free Discord so I can issue guys your account. But in regards to this trade that I'm holding on YM, guys, the reasoning behind me taking this trade is because there is a 4-hour PSP at this candle closure from 6 o'clock, which is also a strength switch as well. YM being the weakest asset, now making the higher low, and on top of that being a precision swing point here. We have a open draw on liquidity, relative equal high with the with that's technically an SMT, but I want this SMT to break with YM and QNES. So if we could potentially get this to frame the open low of the daily candle to high close running this high, that would be great. So that is my anticipation for this here. And then on top of that, it would be good if this hourly candle also closes, leaving behind an hourly gap. And if you guys are still watching it too, you can look for a sequence outside of the 4-hour, outside of the hourly gap. Because realistically, if we are bullish, you want to see this leave behind a bullish value gap behind it, make this be the low of the day, and on top of that, leave this all behind here too. So I'm anticipating price to expand away and hold this 4-hour candle low. That is my plan. But Quinn and Brian, please send messages in the free Discord so I can issue guys your accounts. But thank you guys for all being a part of the live tonight. It was a good time as always. And be safe if you are trading tomorrow. I'm probably going to only have this be my only trade of the day. Unless a sequence is given tomorrow during New York AM session. But take care, guys. Be safe. Have a great weekend. And I will see you guys all again next week for more live trading.